Hi, welcome back to the Brenton. This is Jamie, and I'm here to show you another fantastic floor plan that we have. This is actually one of my favorites. It's called the H floor plan. And as you walk in, as you can see, you have a whole wall full of wonderful windows. So if you like light and you love to have plants, this would be the fabulous and most perfect unit ever. As you can see, we have a wonderful island in the spacious kitchen. Got lots of great cabinet space, including a wonderful pantry that can also double as a coat closet. Each unit has your stove and microwave, your refrigerator with ice maker, and also a dishwasher, which is located in the island in this unit. As you can see, there's lots of good space. This apartment is a corner unit, and so you have a wonderful view across the road. And as you can see, with any traffic, it's very quiet in here. It's very well insulated, which is very nice. This is a great large living room space. We're going to continue through the living room into our bedroom. And as we enter the bedroom, you're going to notice that we have a wonderful closet area here with double shelves and for additional storage. Then your washer and dryer are located right next door, right next to your bedroom. Your bedroom also has great windows, but the blinds do block out light, so when you're waking up in the morning, you don't have to see the sunshine until you're ready. You'll have your own heat unit and AC unit in the bedroom, which can be controlled separately from the one that's located in the living room. Another second closet with additional shelving as well. And as you can see, the panel that you're looking at is for the internet. We have CenturyLink here, and all you have to do is go online, pick your package, and once you pay, it turns on automatically for you. All the flooring in our apartments are vinyl flooring, and then your bedroom will have a little bit of carpeting. And as we walk back through, we're going to end in a very spacious bathroom, coming right back around the corner, which has a great piece of cabinetry for towels. And then your bathroom has the tub shower combo. So I hope you like what you've seen, and we really are looking forward to meeting you.